How to get clients, right? Attracts everyone with 0 clients. 3 ways to grow on Instagram. Teenagers wanting to learn, right? Teenagers wanting clout, right? Stop making excuses. Motivational content browsers. Motivational people are the worst people. Anybody that needs motivation is the worst customer on the planet. You've experienced this. I've experienced this. I can 100% guarantee you that if you are leading with motivation, you're attracting. Think about it. Who needs motivation? Somebody who's a procrastinator. They don't have discipline. They need to be pushed to do what they're supposed to do. Stay away from motivational content. Stay away from basic beginner language content, intro level content. Stay away from that. The visible hook, right? This is what you should be saying in the first 3 to 5 seconds. Why your sales keep falling apart at 30K a month, right? This is to someone specific. Attracts founders who are stuck at 30K. The content strategy that replaced 8K a month in ad spend. These are things that I say in my messaging. All right. I'm trying to attract business owners who are spending money on ads. You're not lazy. Your offer just doesn't convert cold traffic. Attracts coaches with broken funnels. They know they're not lazy. All right. It's supposed to, you're lazy. That's why you're not making money. That talks to somebody that knows they're lazy and they're not making money. As opposed to, you're not lazy. Your offer is just broken. Yeah, I know I'm not lazy. Yeah, that's me. That's who, when you say stuff, when you speak, whoever responds to it is who that message was for. Next, the next reason is your profile doesn't convert visitors. Even when the right person does land on your profile, there's nothing that makes them stay, follow, or take action, right? Your bio is pretty vague. There's no ideal customer. There's no result. There's no CTA. You want who you help, right? Plus what result, plus one next step. Your highlights, they're usually empty. And they have personal photos. There's no proof. You want results, an about me, process, free resource. The feed, random posts, no pin proof, no intentional grid. The first 9 of your posts need to have a proof wall, pin case studies. Okay. Stories. Most people, they have random day in their life, no belief shifting. What you should be having is Q&As every single week. Proof, client case studies, belief shifts, CTAs on a resolution. Right? On a resolution of what you taught that day or what you answered that day, what belief you debunked that day. That's how your story should be run. Your CTAs, usually, if you're an invisible coach, there's no clear next step anymore in your profile. All right. You should have keyword triggers or a clear booking link.